Today I'm doing an unboxing of our new Atima SD2000i inverter generator. I bought this from Amazon, and I looked at some other reviews of folks that had them. They actually make a model that comes with a Yamaha engine. This one does not have a Yamaha engine, therefore it was reflected in the price. It was actually less than $500. It's rated for 2,000 watts, but the rated output running is 1,600 watts. So, at any rate, I will cut the box open. Packed up with a lot of plastic. Looks like it comes with, I'm sure that's for adding oil. A little bottle with a extension hose. Actually comes with a tool kit. It's kind of neat, haven't seen that before. Instructions for the SD2000i.
Which you're not going to read.
Now, they're correct. Okay, so here it is. It's got a really nice case. That was one of the things I found kind of appealing about it. The pull start, it's got an on-off switch for the gas tank, a primer for the gas, and comes with two 120 volt AC plugs. It's got, you can actually do a parallel kit for this if you want. This is for a ground. It's got the smart throttle, so it will throttle down, run at a slower speed if you don't need full throttle. And it's got a USB port right there. Pretty simple, pretty basic, but I'm just going to use it to run my truck camper, which at the very most I would run 11,000 BTU air conditioner with. And I did have a 3,000 watt Champion, but it was just too big to carry around with the truck camper. Oil in the kit, so I'm going to have to get some oil to fill it up. So it says it requires a 10W30 weight.
What are these things over here?
It's got a pull cord. There's a run start switch. So you put it to start. Evidently that chokes it. That's the choke right there. This is the fuel, on and off. Push 2 times to prime, and then a pull cord to start.
And how much gas does it hold?
It holds 1 gallon, and they claim that at 25% load it will run for 8 hours. We'll have to remove this panel. It's held in with 2 Phillips screws.
All right, he's putting the 5W30 oil in it. It didn't have any oil. How much oil do you have to put in it?
Until it's full. Top of the threads.
Okay, well that answers that.
It does have a nice little drip lip here and a tray so that it won't get down inside if it does become overfilled. Which never happens. I just noticed after filling the oil and inspecting the outside of the case, I've got a crack right here. It's definitely a crack, probably happened in transit.
All right.
Yep. Well, I don't think it will affect the performance. Aside from the oil fill, there's a door here, and it's actually access to the spark plug, which is right there. So at least you don't have to take the whole case off. It weighs about 58 pounds. The other generator I'm using is the Champion dual fuel 3000, and it weighs about 105, so this will be about half of the weight of that. Much nicer to carry around. I need to get some gas.
We got our go-go juice.
It does have a screen in there to catch any particulate. All right, there goes nothing. First time. Let's see if it starts.
That's on. Okay.
Just need to be primed.
Just need a good primer on. Wow, it's not that loud.
Sauce is off on the backside.
It's not too bad. I was looking at him unpack these. Now look at that big. Oops. The cutest little doggy airbed. Like a Sleep Number bed for dogs. Maybe I'll make a cover and give it to my little friend Shelby. Make her a comfy bed. What you can see, well, it looks like an air mattress. Kind of cute dog bed. Mark thinks I'm silly, but oh well.
Okay, so I just filled it with gas. We're gonna start it for the very first time. So I'm gonna put the choke to start, turn the on-off switch to on, push 2 times to prime, hold more, let's see what happens. Wow, it starts right up. That's great.
Pretty quiet.
Seems pretty quiet. Alright, so the Atima SD2000i came with a tool kit. Looks like a spark plug wrench. Let's see what else is in the bag. Looks like we have a operation manual. There's a bar, obviously for the spark plug wrench, so you can get some leverage on it.
You gotta move slower.
Oh, I see. Okay. Looks like we got a little nut driver bit so we can open up the case, I'm sure. And it has, this plugs into this right here. I thought it was a USB port, but it's not. And obviously you can charge a battery with it. Nice. Comes with a T-handled nut driver and several bits, screwdriver bits actually. Looks like we've got a straight blade, a Phillips, and 2 different sizes of nut driver bits, a 10mm and an 8mm. Not too bad.